Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Keith Koontz, tackling policing in New Haven. That the focus of a roundtable discussion at City Hall that just wrapped up. News 8's Stephanie Simone was there. She has more on what those top officials are focusing on. Good afternoon, Steph.
Hi, Keith. At this roundtable, you heard a lot of praise being dished out, but some said there needs to be a call to action to improve relations in the city, and they gave specific changes they'd like to see happen. It was a meeting of the minds, members of Congress sitting down with community activists, clergy, and local politicians.
I think that is one of the biggest problems we have.
About 20 people came out representing the diverse New Haven community after the police-involved shootings in Louisiana and Minnesota and the 5 officers shot and killed in Dallas. They say the goal was for everyone to come together and talk about ways they can create collaboration between police and communities of color.
We're on the right track. We're really ahead of the country. But again, we need to make sure it gets out to the community. And
we got a lot of praise today about what we have done, but that we can't rest on our laurels.
Journalists surrounded the room as each person spoke. Most said New Haven is doing a good job. Violent crime is down in the city and community policing is working.
Nothing comes out.
But more can be done. They say right now they're boosting bias training for recruits at the academy. Some would like to see a better vetting process for bad officers and give police incentives to live in New Haven. It's something the police chief says should not be mandatory.
I believe we should try to encourage people to do it. And that is recruiting from New Haven better. But also, if you didn't come from New Haven, you come back to New Haven. And give reasons and maybe financial incentives.
Also, to cut down on citywide crime, some leaders say they would like to see money go toward helping support families.
there's some residents right now that are locked in their house that are afraid to come out. And they need to be able to come out. And the only way to do that is to let them know that we're working on this.
Now, Senator Blumenthal says this committee today was his idea, and he'd like to see this group get together more often, more routinely. Live in News 8 Control, Stephanie Simone. Keith, back to you.